Morning. Don't worry about it. I love milk and honey. It's a song that's very popular.
And of course, don't worry if you don't like garage because I've got one for everyone here. But first of all, because you're an amazing crowd, and I would never ever let you go without teaching you the most important sounding beat. So, which obviously is the turkey noise. Yes. Everybody say look. Yeah. Now with a little bit of a high pitched voice, say look. Yeah. Now say it very fast. Yes, this is a pat on the back, yeah, on the front, anyway, yeah. You guys are now official turkeys, so I will need your help towards the end of this one with those official turkey noises. So what I think you, so let's make some noise for the boys in the
En es check